Black-eyed peas are not just southern food, they are African food, carried across the Atlantic through forced migration. Native to West Africa, these peas were familiar to enslaved Africans long before they reached American shores. In the American South, black-eyed peas became a staple because they were inexpensive, drought-resistant, and easy to grow. Plantation owners often dismissed them as animal feed or poor people's food, which allowed enslaved communities greater access to them. Nutritionally, black-eyed peas were vital. High in protein and fiber, they compensated for the lack of meat in enslaved diets. Combined with rice or corn, they formed a complete protein, long before nutritional science put language to it. Regionally, black-eyed peas became deeply rooted in Southern food traditions, especially in the Carolinas, Georgia, and later across the Mississippi Delta. They were eaten year-round but gained symbolic importance during celebrations and New Year's meals, representing endurance and hope. The continued presence of black-eyed peas after emancipation speaks to continuity. They were not abandoned when slavery ended because they were never just scraps, they were familiar, sustaining, and culturally meaningful. Come back tomorrow for the next dish in our 28-day series.